Hello, everyone, and welcome to Where Mind Matters, the podcast that delves deep into the realm of self healing and realization. This podcast is the second part of the podcast Ultimate Wellness, and I am your host, Prathibha, a natural new expert. Today, we are exploring a topic that holds immense transformative potential: the power of mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is more than just a trendy buzzword, it's a profound practice with the ability to shift our entire experience of life. At its core, mindfulness invites us to be fully present in the moment, to observe our thoughts, feelings without judgment, and to cultivate a sense of inner peace and clarity. Research has shown that regular mindfulness meditation can have a plethora of benefits for both our mental and physical well-being, from reducing stress and anxiety to improving focus and emotional regulation. The effects are truly remarkable. One of the key principles of mindfulness meditation is the idea of non-attachment. Through practice, we learn to let go of our attachment to outcomes and expectations, allowing us to find peace and contentment in the present moment, regardless of external circumstances. Another powerful aspect of mindfulness meditation is its ability to cultivate self-awareness. By observing our thoughts and emotions with curiosity and compassion, we gain insight into the inner quality of our minds, enabling us to make wiser choices and live more authentically. So, how can you incorporate mindfulness meditation into your own life? It's simpler than you might think. Just set aside a few minutes each day to sit quietly, focus on your breath, and bring your attention back whenever it wanders. Over time, you will notice a profound shift in how you relate to yourself and the world around you. So start with just a few minutes of meditation each day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. So remember, the key is consistency rather than intensity. It's not about achieving a state of perfect stillness or bliss. It's about cultivating a sense of presence and awareness in each moment. Before we wrap up, I would like to invite you to check out our previous podcast episodes on Ultimate Wellness, where we explore even more ways to cultivate health and happiness in your life. That's all for today's episode of Where Mind Matters. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, the power to transform your life lies within your own mind. So, for such type of thinking, follow my podcast. Until next time, stay mindful and stay curious. More power to you. Take care.